Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to navigate privacy and permissions on teamwork.com. First, log into your account. This is just like starting a car. It gets the engine running. We're now in a position to start controlling the privacy settings. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is like your control panel, where you manage all your privacy and permissions. Now that we've done that, look for the Permissions tab. The reason we do this is because privacy and permissions are often bundled together. It's like your one-stop shop for protecting your account. Once you're on the permissions page, you'll see different options like project permissions, team permissions, and more. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each of these options allows you to control who has access to what in your teamwork.com environment. Now, select the permission you want to modify and check or uncheck the boxes to grant or deny access. This helps us because it gives us total control over who can see our projects, participate in specific teams, and so on. Let me explain why this matters. Privacy and permissions are like the locks and keys of your account. They help protect your data and ensure only the right people have access to the right information. To wrap things up, always remember that navigating privacy and permissions on teamwork.com is just like setting up the locks and keys for your account. It's all about safeguarding your precious data and maintaining a productive and secure environment for your team. And that's it. You're all set.